Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Heather's channel. It's your girl boomey. As per usual, I am back with another inexpensive wiggery. I think this is number, I have no idea. This is inexpensive wiggery number 28. Yeah. Now, I am here with the wig that I had in number 27. Obviously, if you've watched that video, and the wig looks a lot different than it did then. And if you haven't, I will have that card flash across the screen up at the top so that you can see what the original state of this wig was. I didn't do much to it besides bleach the knots, and I bleached all of the lace so that it could be kind of a seamless blend into my scalp. I never really plucked it because it kind of just, like, I was able to like slick down a little bit of hair, and it was a pre-plucked wig already. And again, like, I'm not with all the extra frills of like doing the most, and sometimes I feel like we're getting to a point where you're trying to over naturalize the wigs. They look fake now because that's an expectation. Not to say like having it really look melted and laid is not lit, but I feel like when you have bleached blonde the roots, you kind of already look like you're balding, so I don't really want to over pluck and look bald. Either way, I felt great with this. I love the hair in this style with, it's kind of like this wet, air dried, and then I would put like a little bit of setting mousse or setting foam on it and hold it in place like this. So that's that about the wig. In the course of the video, you're gonna notice I have 2 fingers missing. Both of my index broke. I am on the way to the nail salon. Don't come for me. I hate filming like this. This is so ranchero to me, and I can't stand it. So when I have one, I literally, like, it's the bane of my existence. Look at this. Look at this. And they both broke low, so I had to let them grow. And today is the day that I get them fixed. Anyways. But yeah, let's get into what we're here to do today. It's an inexpensive wiggery, so that means we got some hair. Another China-based hair company reached out to me to review some hair. And again, it happens to be another human hair inexpensive wig. Shouts to that. I think this wig is on a real inexpensive side of inexpensive human hair. I think it's running for about $59, $69. As usual, the link to the wig and how you can get it will be listed below. There's no frills on this. It just came in this bag right here. Cute. I love this for repackaging or traveling. It is a black wig, like we need another one of those. It is a short wig, like we need another one of those. But it's human hair, and if I want to change this color, I will change this color. It's extremely short. It's shorter than the one I have on now, so I'm very concerned. Off first sight, it has a very silky texture as we expected because it's human. It's very full at the bottom. It's actually fuller than the wig I have on right now. I'm very impressed by that. The cut is, it has a choppy kind of cut in the back. I'm assuming layered cut. It feels like it needs like a little heat or some love on it because it's just been sitting in a bag. It's longer in the front, shorter in the back. A-line cut. It's a part down the middle. It's a small closure here, and it actually has some combs in this one. Shouts, because this one didn't have combs. This one has a lot of combs. 3 combs at the top, 1 at the crown, 2 at the temples, and then 1 in the back. Aside from that, the construction of the cap is normal, your typical dome mesh. Like I said, the closure is right here. I can't really see it because it has another layer of the mesh on top of it. I suppose I could cut that out. Yes, I could, which I'm probably going to do. What irks is that it's an abrupt, kind of very bulky felt fabric on the perimeter of the wig, and I just hope that that doesn't create bulkiness in the wig. My braids are really grown out, so I hope that this wig doesn't look crazy on my head. The parting is pretty good in that. If you put a little bit of makeup on that, a little concealer, it'll make it brighter if you like it, if that's your thing. Because I wear the beige cap, I feel like if I cut it, that's beige enough. That matches my complexion. That's what it'll look like. I think that's good enough. It does look to be pre-plucked. it looks actually one of the best pre-pluckings I've ever seen in the front right here. I'm probably gonna wash it so that I can get rid of this, you know, condition it and get rid of this part that they have cemented in it. I mean, it's just that. Like, I feel like there's nothing else to talk about. It's a flat, about 1B colored wig, short A-line haircut, and we could just do a wig switch. There's really nothing more to get into. I'm back, and I think it's kind of one note. There's not really much to go over here. It's very short. It has hardly any hair. It felt a lot thicker off my head than on. These are characteristics of a short wig. It's gonna be thin. I just obviously have to do this hair like this. It needs to be all curled under again, and it's kind of like lost its shape in whatever style it was in, kind of like anime haircut style. I think the part is really good. I could afford to pull my cap up a little bit more so that you get that beige color. That's really nice. I just think it's an aggressive tone for me. I feel like me and hair this dark don't really get along unless it's curled. I mean, the swing on it is good. It smells good. The stretch in the cap is amazing. I feel like the construction of the wig is wonderful. Once I put, you know, a bump in the back and flat iron in the front to get it the look, it'll probably be decent and, you know, be the look that it goes for. But to be honest, I'm going to wash this wig. I'm going to condition this wig. I'm going to put mousse on it the way I did that other one and let it air dry and kind of see if it gets any kind of body or any action. Right now this is flat, dead, straight hair. Like this, I hope it has a small bit of kind of like some wave or curl pattern in it, but for me, like on a regular, this is not gonna work out. Like if you guys really mess with that, I advise you to get it. It feels amazing. I feel like I look like a 1990s R&B artist. Like, and I'm not even giving the wig a bad grade. I'm giving the me in the wig a bad. Like it's not mood. So the wig itself, I'm gonna give it like a 7. Me in the wig, I'm gonna give it like a 4. That's like hardcore facts. And I know this is all fixable, but like when these are first impressions, so it's kind of like how I took it out of the bag. I want to see when I come back and I give you the update and we see what I've done with it. You know, it's a go. I really hope that I can make this wig twerk. I really want to do right by it, because human hair wigs are hard to just, you know, come by, you know, in a game of synthetics. You want them to win, you really do. So I am going to try to put a little stink on this wig and try to make this do what it do. Let's do a 360, because I mean literally I want to see what the hair does when it's wet, if it can kind of get a little bit of texture once I've wetted and let it air dry, hopefully. If that's a go, then what I'm gonna probably do is bleach this whole MF and then dye it maybe like a ginger orange red color. That's really the color of wig I want right now. I'm really in the marketing mood for that. And that'll be mood. And that'll be mood. Other than that, I said what I said. This is a quick one. Hit it and quit it. Thank you for being here with me and experiencing the things that I experienced. You know what? I want to send big thanks to everyone involved in the process of helping me make this video and bring it to you guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will have all the details in the wig in case you want to check it out, because $60 is an affordable wig. I cannot be mad at a $60 human hair wig, because human hair wigs allow you to do whatever it is your heart desires. So let me get up out of here, go to this nail salon, handle my business. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Y'all be cool like how y'all be cool.